In the bustling world of commodities trading, a legendary story unfolds, one that begins with a simple bet between two Chicago traders and evolves into a legacy that continues to inspire and shape futures trading today. This is the story of the Turtles Commodities Trading Program, a saga intertwined with innovation, success, and the timeless wisdom of the markets. The late 1980s saw Richard Dennis and Bill Eckhart debate a crucial question: can trading be taught? This debate led to a legendary experiment and the formation of the Turtles. By placing an ad in the Wall Street Journal, they recruited a group of novices, offering them the tools and knowledge to conquer the markets. Among these recruits was Russell Sands, who would go on to become one of the most successful Turtles. Russell Sands, armed with the Turtles' methodologies, carved out his niche in the trading world, amassing significant success. His journey from a Turtle trainee to a master trader exemplifies the power of the Turtles' strategies rooted in discipline, risk management, and the ability to capitalize on market trends. Russell Sands extends the Turtles' legacy through FFR trading, offering the Turtles Commodities Trading Program. This program is a bridge connecting aspiring traders with the proven strategies that once set the Turtles apart. It's an opportunity to engage with the markets, guided by the wisdom of those who've navigated its highs and lows with unparalleled success. Let's delve into recent successes. From energy to metals and agricultural commodities, the program continues to identify and leverage profitable opportunities, showcasing the program's adaptability and continued relevance in today's dynamic markets. Consider the story of a client who, starting with a modest investment, witnessed substantial growth in their portfolio through the program. It's a testament to the enduring power of the Turtles' strategies when applied with discipline and insight. As we share these successes, it's crucial to remember that all trading involves risk. The Turtles Commodities Trading Program, like any trading endeavor, requires understanding and acceptance of these risks. Success is a blend of strategy, discipline, and ongoing education. The journey of the Turtles, from a speculative experiment to a cornerstone of trading philosophy, continues to inspire. With Russell Sands and FFR trading, the legacy lives on, offering you the strategies and support to pursue your trading goals. Embark on your journey with the Turtles Commodities Trading Program and discover what lies beyond the horizon of possibilities. For more information and to claim your spot in this transformative program, contact FFR Trading today at 800-883-0524. Your trading future awaits. Will you take the first step?